Okay, they did it again. 70mai released a new camera. It was A810 and right now it's A810S. They add one more letter. Let's find out what is the difference. Inside the box, they have cables, mountains, a dash cam. In this version, A810C, they actually added 128GB SD card. And that's it. So minimalistic, so almost feel like premium disappointment starter kit. Like, let's be fair, it always was them style. No surprises here. Now the interesting part, what the difference? First, night recording. The A810C is actually better at night. There's no wow Hollywood better, but it's better. Second one is stabilization, less shaking overall. Although if your suspension rides like a wagon, no dashcam is saving your spine. Third is the software. The app feels much more stable now. What does it mean? It means it crashes less often and it stops pretending like your device does not exist anymore when you need it the most. Honestly, it's not a new dashcam, but it's kinda the same A810 with a cleanup patch. Here's the truth. Buy A810S. If you care about night footage, because it's real upgrade, buy A810 dashcam. If you don't care about nighttime footage, and it might be cheaper in the market right now. But honestly, A810S, it's not a revolution. It's just 70mai being slightly less lazy. If you like this video and it's helped you, subscribe. If not, well, your dashcam choice might be decent.
И на заставку поставить, типа, это кликбейт называется.